Atlas, what are you doing raping my dog? Why are you raping my dog? Bruno's a guy, he's not a... Yeah. That's a good boy, Atlas. Oh, yeah. Nobody understands it. You just want to be a rapist. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Come here. That's a good boy, Atlas. That's right. You're frustrated. You wanted me. All right. Hey, Atlas. That's a good boy. Come on, Atlas. Come on, Atlas. Let's go, Atlas. That's a good boy, Atlas. Yeah. You're getting yourself all ready for Bruno. You want a little piece of that tail. All right. That's it for now.